The Zelotes T90 Professional boasts serious specs for the price of around £15 or dollars, and if something is great for gaming, a time-consuming, intense task, then it's probably going to be great for regular use too. Do note that this is a right-hand mouse only, but with that out of the way, let's get into it. Like I said, this mouse is fully featured. The all-plastic build doesn't feel that cheap, with just the right amount of travel on all buttons. Speaking of buttons, there are 8. The standard left, middle and right click, a DPI adjuster, which I'll talk about later, a button in the top left which essentially double clicks in one click, which I actually use quite often, and 3 buttons on the side that can either cycle through the various RGB lighting modes or be used for left clicking. The lights are present all around the mouse and look amazing, with still, breathing, and rainbow modes. Now, the DPI of a mouse is how much the on-screen cursor moves when you move it on your desk, and the average mouse has a DPI of a few hundred. The T90, however, goes up all the way to 9,200, at which point moving it half a centimeter will move the cursor the whole way across the screen. That's incentive enough for anyone to get this mouse. At the bottom of the mouse is a pull-out platform for 8 metal weights to adjust how heavy it feels. Unfortunately, I lost the pieces, because they are quite small, so take better care of them than I did. But basically, you can use them to get just the right feel, with the most weight in exactly the part of the device you want. The T90 is plug and play Windows and Mac, and doesn't require any additional software. It ticks all the boxes, a design with removable weights, and a sensor so sensitive that I can use the mouse hovering a centimeter over my desk. The RGB lights are stunning with fantastic look and feel. This is a steal at the current pricing, so you don't have to spend dozens on something more expensive that essentially just does the same job. So the US and UK links will be in the description. It would mean a lot to me if you could support me by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'm Felix with Tech Techer, and I'll see you later.